Ready? Start. Challenging an order of the learned single judge, confirmed by the division bench in an intra-court appeal, refusing to interfere with the decision of the university denying permission to her to appear in the fourth semester LLB examination, a student has come up with the above SLP, full stop. We have heard learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned counsel for the university, full stop. The petitioner joined the 3-year LLB course at Law Center, 2nd Faculty of Law, University of Delhi in August 2016, full stop. By the time she joined the course, she was already married for about 5 months, full stop, para. The petitioner completed the first 3 semesters without any hindrance, full stop. However, she fell short of the required attendance during the 4th semester, due to 2 difficulties, full stop. One was that she gave birth to a baby on 22/2/2018, disabling her to attend the classes till the end of March 2018, full stop. The second difficulty was that the Delhi University Teachers Association went on a strike from 16/3/2018 and hence the university could not conduct the minimum number of classes as prescribed by Rule 10 of the Bar Council of India rules, full stop, para. Therefore, the petitioner was detained by a notice dated 9/5/2018 and not permitted to write the 4th semester examinations scheduled to commence from 15/5/2018, full stop. The petitioner therefore filed a writ petition number 5194 of 2018 on the file of the High Court of Delhi seeking a direction to the university to permit her to appear for the 4th semester examinations, full stop. But the writ petition was dismissed by an order dated 15/5/2018, full stop. An intra-court appeal was filed by the petitioner in LPA number 294 of 2018, but the same was dismissed by the division bench by an order dated 7/9/2018, full stop. It is against the said order that the student has come up with the above SLP, full stop, para. On 5/10/2018, this court ordered the issue of notice in the SLP, full stop. While doing so, this court also permitted the petitioner to attend classes at her own risk on completion of the required formalities, full stop. Subsequently, several orders were passed by this court, which are presented in a tabular common by the petitioner in her application, interlocutory application number 102466 of 2020, full stop, para. Pursuant to the aforesaid orders, the petitioner appeared for the examinations of the 4th, 5th and 6th semesters, full stop. There are no further examinations. The university has also declared the results of the 4th and 6th semester examinations, but has not declared the results of the 5th semester supplementary examination, full stop. Therefore, the petitioner has come up with interlocutory application number 102466 of 2020 seeking a direction to the respondent to declare the results of the petitioner for the 5th semester supplementary examination and to grant the provisional degree, consolidated mark sheet and character certificate, full stop, para. Therefore, the interlocutory application and the SLP are disposed of directing the university to declare the 5th semester supplementary examination results of the petitioner and issue the provisional degree along with necessary certificates, if she had passed the examinations, subject to the petitioner clearing the other formalities, full stop. This order is passed in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case.